Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on GitHub. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search github.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on GitHub's website. Now, enter the email address that you want to link to your account and then tap on Sign Up for GitHub. Now, tap on Continue and set a new password. When you are done, tap on Continue. After that, create a username for your account. If you want to receive product updates and announcements via email, type Y. If not, type N. To verify you are a human and not a robot, solve the puzzle. When you are done, tap on Create Account. GitHub will send you a launch code on your email, so open up your mail. There you'll see the code, copy it, then tap on Open GitHub. Paste the GitHub launch code. Now you'll need to select how many members will be working with you and if you are a student or a teacher. Then tap on Continue. After that, select the features of GitHub that you are interested in using. Select the subscription plan according to your preference. This way you can create your GitHub account. Now you can browse your latest notification, browse your files and code, organize issues with labels, assignees, project and more. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.